I think my tire is flat.
That my tire is flat. Can you explain me how to change it?
Ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire?
Do you want to change a flat tire easy?
We have a solution.
You need to follow the next 14 steps.
Come on. Find a stable and safe place to change your tire. You need a solid lever surface that will restrict car from rolling.
Parking brake and put car in a park position. If you have a standard transmission, put your vehicle on first or reverse.
Place a heavy object.
Take out the spare tire and the jack. Place the jack under the frame near the tire that you are going to change.
Raise the jack until it is supporting the car.
Remove the hubcap and loosen the nuts by turning counterclockwise. Pump or crank the jack to lift the tire off the ground.
Step 9. Remove the tire.
Tighten the nuts by hand until they are all snug.
Lower the car to the ground fully and remove the jack.
Tire in your trunk and take it to the mechanic.
Without the simple step, we can see how too easy it is to change a tire taking care of you. You can never forget that your safety is first. Change a tire can be dangerous, simple enough if you are not careful.